Welcome back everyone, my name is Lee from Lee's Kitchen. Today we're making triple cooked chips. Better than the fish and chip shops, I tell you. So this is going to be a 3-part series where I show you how to make triple cooked chips, how to fry fish, and how to cook scalloped potatoes just like or even better than the fish and chip shops. Firstly, I'm peeling some large potatoes. I'm using Desiree peak potatoes today, as they are my favourite all-round potato. Next, we're going to slice potatoes into 1-inch chips. Then we're going to place these into a pot and cover with water and bring them to the boil. Now I'm setting my deep fryer. I've set it to 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for the first fry. I'm using rice bran oil today as this is my preferred oil as it has a natural neutral taste. Once the chips are almost tender and almost falling apart, we drain the potatoes. Let them air dry and let the moisture evaporate. You can also put them on a tray in the freezer to speed this up. In batches, place the chips in the fry basket and gently lower into the oil. Note that the oil will foam up, and this is why you cook in very small batches. And we're going to fry them for 5 to 7 minutes until they have a glassy texture on them, but they shouldn't have any color on it. So as you can see, they look very glassy and have no color on them. So now we're going to heat our fryer up to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and let that heat up. Then we're going to fry them until they're golden. This will not take long as the chips are already warm. So they look good. Let's salt them and get them served up. So let's give them a go. I've been doing my chips this way forever. I've never brought store-bought chips. Nice and crispy. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a good old like. And if you want to subscribe, I've got more to come. Thanks for watching.